Each collection and singleton in KeyStatic takes an optional path property, which is where your content is going to be stored. Right now, it's set to post/star, and so as a result, our posts are stored in post, and then star means the slug for each file. But say you wanted to put all of your content, all your collections inside a content directory. Well, you could change the path to content/posts, but saving that means KeyStatic will not find these two existing posts anymore. In the admin UI, you can see there is 0 post, but let's create one. And KeyStatic now lists 1 post, and as expected, a new content folder with posts and then our post here has been created. So we don't need to recreate our posts, we can grab these two and drag them inside this folder. And now if I refresh the admin UI, we will have our 3 posts listed here. Couple more things to cover. You can see right now each post is its own markdoc file, and this is what happens if your path ends without a trailing slash. If I add a trailing slash, this means something different for KeyStatic. It's going to expect each post to be a folder with the slug name and then an index.markdoc file in each. And that can be useful when you want multiple files for each collection entry. Once again, we're back to 0 posts, and let's create one. And when I have 1 post, and if we look at the code base, you can see that this one was created in a directory with an index.markdoc file. If you need more complex path structures, you can also use the star in the middle of a segment. So say you had here my folder, and again, trailing slash or not will define if it's a single file or a directory. We're back to 0 posts. So the slug of our post was hello. So inside content/post, we have the hello directory and then my. So hello, my folder. And because there is no trailing slash, folder is the name of the file. So the differentiator here, the slug, is set at the directory level midway through the directory tree. And one last thing I want to show you, if you want to use nested slugs that span across multiple directories, you can use the double star symbol. And you can see that now all of our posts are being recognized because KeyStatic is looking inside the post directory and then any nested directories inside of it. This is possible because behind the scenes, KeyStatic supports the slash symbol part of the slug. So you can see here the slug is actually a string with slashes.